Hi, this is Gary Kay. We're here at ISE 2018. I'm here with Thomas Walter, who is the Strategic Marketing Manager for NEC. Good morning, Thomas. How are you?
Good morning. I'm very well. How are you?
I'm doing great. We're going to try to give our viewers a feel of what it's like to walk through the NEC booth here at ISE. And it's going to be tough because as you will see, there's a bunch of people in here. This is the fullest I've ever seen your booth at a show. But the first section we're in here is called what, and what's the point?
This is the section that we call retail digital signage, and we are focusing on engaging the people. So we want to provide them a journey into shop fitters areas, shops, retail scenarios where they can experience how the shop of the future will look like.
Yeah, and so it's all about engage, right? That's sort of the title of this area is engage, and you're doing it through showing applications, but not in a way. You're doing it with big, impressive, immersive experiences.
Yeah, so we are a hardware agnostic consultant, which means that we are focusing on different technologies. This year our big highlight is direct view LED, and you can see the big impressive wall behind us, and also large format displays are coming and still very important for retailers these days.
Yeah, so it's not just signs, it's a large format LED. Now we're going to walk over to this section over here, which, as I said, there's a lot of people here. This section is called Connect, and this is all about business connections, educational connections, and the simplicity of connections in the meeting room, right?
In this area we are impressing the people with large venue projection, and if you can see at the background, this is the brightest projector you can get in the market today for large venues, event halls and exhibition areas.
So this is the impress section,
yes.
Actually, not the connection.
You should be impressed,
okay.
Yeah.
So this is the impress section. See the stand is so big I wasn't even sure which section's what. So this is the impress section. So in fact, one of the things you're showing here is your RB laser 4K native 4K projector here, right?
Yes, and this is the brightest one on the market, 40,000 centilumens.
Which is right there, if we look up at the top there, 40,000 centilumens.
And this is our new flagship. It's coming from our digital cinema experience, and we are bringing this high image quality to presentations in event venues, sport arenas, and big audience and conference areas.
And when will this product ship?
It will be started to be shipped in April already.
Okay, so then we actually shot individual product videos on all the products that they're showing here at the show. And so you can go and type in NEC in the video search window. Let's go down to the actual Connect section of your booth. Is it down there, or are we going to go this way?
Let's go
this way. So we're going to go behind you here. Yes. And we're going to walk straight here. And this is all about connections. And the word connect has changed in the industry quite a bit over the last few years because it's moved from a lot of complicated signal routing and distributions to, in a lot of cases, wireless connectivity and network connectivity of systems, right?
Yes, meeting people in a business environment has changed a lot, and what you can see over here is our solutions for huddle spaces. So we are taking customers on a meeting journey in our section from huddle spaces to the boardroom. So whenever people collaborate, cooperate, they need to interact. More businesses are getting global, so they have to remotely work together, and we want to create a situation where they work together in a way like everyone is in the same room.
Yeah, and so this is being shown in small meeting room, huddle space applications, and obviously simple connectivity and sometimes wireless connectivity.
Absolutely.
Is crucial there. And then also connectivity from one location to the other. You want people to come into the room from wherever they are in the country. So you're showing that here. But what else do you have here? Because it's not just this.
If we take or continue our journey through a meeting spaces, yep. This is our classical meeting room where we have large screen projection, and it's flexibility in size, which is key, and high resolution in order to get crisp details.
Right.
If we move on to the next section, it's the Infinity Board. It's more or less where everything started with interactive collaboration, and this is where companies can very effectively cooperate. They can create ideas together, they can cooperate remotely, and they can easily share ideas across different locations.
Yeah, so this is unique to NEC Europe, is the Infinity Board right here. This doesn't exist anywhere else in the world. This is unique to you, the Infinity Board product. This is kind of an interesting collaboration but with NEC and a few key other vendors that are providing some of the technology here as well to build a finished collaboration board system.
Absolutely, we are connecting the best of different worlds. So our display intelligence is embedded, computing intelligence, but also speaking systems and a camera from Hartley, for instance, in order to provide a package which is an end-to-end solution for our customers, because they don't want to create a bundle for themselves. They want stuff that is working together well, and this is assured, and it's very open and flexible in order to ensure that companies can use all their infrastructure they have set up in the meantime.
And this particular one we're looking at is how big?
It's 86 inches big, and we have two sizes, 86 and 65.
And the 65 is on that wall there.
It always depends on the size of meeting group and making your perfect choice. But one thing is similar for both products is the resolution. It's UHD. We are focusing on lots of details and better pixels, more image clarity and homogeneity.
So everything is 4K. Of course, that's what everybody's talking about on the show floor is the higher, not necessarily the prettier pictures, the higher density of pixels, so you can put more information on the screen.
Yes.
Right. So Thomas, thank you very much. It's hard to do these kind of tours. I appreciate grabbing you and you being willing to do it.
We did get along well, I think. Yeah.
I think it went well. We bumped into a few people along the way, but Thomas Walter, thank you very much for joining us. For everyone, thanks for watching, and have a great show.
Same to you.
Take
care.
Thanks, and type in NEC in the video search window to watch individual videos on any of the products launched here at ISE 2018.